What if we told you that the next wave of AI might be powered by databases that don't even need humans to set them up? That future just got closer, thanks to a billion-dollar move by Databricks. Databricks, the data analytics powerhouse, just announced it's acquiring Neon, a startup building a serverless, open-source alternative to AWS Aurora Postgres, for a cool $1 billion. Why does this matter? Because Neon's tech is tailor-made for the AI era. Their cloud-based Postgres platform doesn't just scale on demand. It allows developers to clone databases, preview changes before launch, branch for isolated testing, and even roll back to specific moments in time. But here's the kicker. 80% of the databases on Neon aren't created by humans. They're spun up by AI agents. That's not a bug. It's the future. AI agents work at speeds far beyond what human developers can manage, but they need agile, scalable infrastructure to keep up. That's exactly what Neon provides. And Databricks is betting big that these agent-driven workloads are the next frontier of AI. Ali Ghodsi, co-founder and CEO of Databricks, said it best. The era of AI-native, agent-driven applications is reshaping what a database must do. With this acquisition, Databricks is aiming to offer developers a serverless Postgres that fits the fast, flexible, and cost-efficient needs of modern AI development. Neon, founded in 2021 by Nikita Shamgunov, Heikki Linnakangas, and Stas Kelvich, has raised nearly $130 million from big names like Microsoft's M12, General Catalyst, and Menlo Ventures. Now it's becoming part of a company that's raised over $19 billion and closed a $15.3 billion funding round earlier this year at a $62 billion valuation. And this isn't Databricks' first high-profile deal. Last year, they bought Mosaic ML, an open-source platform for training large language models, for $1.3 billion. And just a couple of months ago, they acquired Tabula, a data management firm, for nearly $2 billion. Clearly, Databricks isn't just building tools for AI. It's building the AI ecosystem, and Neon is the next critical piece. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your thoughts on AI agents taking the wheel in development. And if you want to see where Databricks is taking AI next, click on the video in the corner. We've got you covered.